Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore. Okay, so this is a T90. What's happening is we're popping out of second gear, so we thought it might be a poppet ball. So I'm going to rebuild this top end, and when I pulled it out, you can see the springs were broke. One of them was actually half gone. So what you're going to do is you're going to pop out these little caps on the side, push the rails back through, your balls will pop out, your springs will come out, and then you're going to want to clean it all up. So we sprayed it inside of it, cleaned it all up inside there, and then we're going to put new springs, new poppet balls, and roll pins back inside and see if it pops out a second after that. All right, so I put it back together. You can see the orientation, how it should go in there. It was pretty hard getting the poppet balls back in, so you're going to have to like push the ball down with a punch and then drive it in through the other side. And there's a little ball in between here too that you got to get just right with the shafts in order to get both of them in there. So anyhow, so there it is. It's rebuilt. We're going to go ahead and stick it back in, see what happens. To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepster Man, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today. Awesome. Actually, you know what? No high tech at all.